Hey guys! Today in this video, I'll show you how to backing up your photos to iCloud is a simple and secure way to keep them safe. Here's how to do it on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap your name, Apple ID profile at the top of the screen, tap iCloud. Tap Storage or iCloud Storage and check that you have enough available space for your photos. Go back and tap Photos. Turn on Sync this iPhone or iCloud Photos. Under Optimize iPhone Storage, make sure this option is selected. This helps save space on your phone while keeping full-resolution photos safely in iCloud. Wait for the syncing process to complete. Once finished, you will see Synced next to the status. Your photos are now safely backed up to iCloud. You can access them from any Apple device signed in with the same Apple ID.